Today I'm here in my hometown of Yakima to see one of the region's proudest traditions, the Central Washington State Fair. From carnival rides to decadent foods, animal encounters to agricultural showcases, this place is full of fun for everyone. President and CEO Kathy Kramer took time out of her busy day to walk with me through the agricultural building. So, I grew up here.
I know.
I graduated in 95 from West Valley, so this fair I'm very familiar with.
Good.
So I'm hoping it's in good hands.
It's in very good hands. It takes a community. Everything you're seeing around us just doesn't happen. Fairs started, 100 plus years ago. There's fairs across the country that are 150 years old. And it was all about celebrating the harvest and bringing the community together of things that were grown and bragging rights that I've had the biggest pumpkin or the biggest squash.
And we're here right now in the agricultural building. This has always been kind of a centerpiece, for me. My mom used to love coming in here and seeing quilts and all of the displays.
I have described this building as the jewel of the fair. When you stop for a second and look at one of these vignettes, look at the creativity on that, the fun ways that they were able to display agriculture. I didn't realize before I moved here about everything that was grown here. I don't think they know that every nook and cranny across the state, they're growing something, and we're feeding the world. So
with a variety of foods.
A variety of foods, absolutely.
You just can't get it elsewhere.
I know.
Now there's a lot of incredible food at the fair, but this year I had the honor of being invited to help judge an American classic. Now I understand you got a little treat for me. It's not just about coming here and seeing the incredible fair once again, but we have some apple pies waiting in the wings, don't we?
We have some apple pies waiting in the wings. This is actually the first annual Central Washington State Fair Apple Pie Baking Contest. That's a mouthful.
Yes, it is. Well, I'm excited. I made sure that I didn't eat a big lunch, so I'm ready to go. Look at all of these mouth-watering apple pies. But I'm not alone in this apple throwdown, as I have some help from some special folks in the community, like Yakima Mayor Patricia Byers and an old friend of mine, Sheriff Bob Udell. All right, here we go. I got a lot of pie to eat. Got to pick the best one we can. So let's get started. We were evaluating each apple pie on taste, texture, appearance, and originality. It's such a tough job, eating all this apple pie. So rough. Ooh, I like that. But not all of the pies stuck to the traditional recipes. We've added something to that. It's almost like a hint of wine. Like they've decided to put some white wine in the mix. It's something real tangy and citrusy. Almost like they added a lot of lemon juice or something. It's different. Let's try 14. This almost has like a biscuit-like consistency. Finally, the pies were narrowed down to the top 5, so might as well have a second bite. The final 5 right here. I'm gonna give a final taste, and then myself and all the other judges taking it down to the final winner, which we'll announce later. Here we go. Oh good, they gave me a big piece. They're all unique, that's for sure. None of these are similar, which I like. Easier to pick out the one that you really want. Okay, I got one more. Gotta stick with my gut, because this is definitely sticking to my gut.
The winner of the Adult Apple Pie Baking Contest, Anita Zapian.
But it was good. It was nice. There was a lot of surprises. You would look at the pie thinking, I know what apple pie tastes like. And then you get something that kind of throws you for a loop. But at the end, I had to go with classics. I have to go with something that just tastes like good old-fashioned American apple pie. It's a classic for a reason.